I've taken about 1/4 cup of tapioca pearls. I've rinsed it and I've put just enough water to cover it. And I'm going to soak this overnight. I'm just making it for myself, so I have taken just 1/4 cup. You might want to double the quantity if you're preparing it for two, or triple the quantity if you're preparing for more people. So we're gonna soak it overnight, and then it's gonna turn fluffy in the morning, and that's when we're gonna make Sabudana Khichdi. Good morning, you guys. Now, the second step is to dry roast peanuts. So I've just taken a handful of peanuts and I'm gonna dry roast it. I'm also boiling a potato here, medium sized potato. Spider-Man says hi. And then we're going to peel it and coarsely grind it in a mixer. We might not use the entire peanut crush. That is fine, we can save it for the next time. Alright, you guys, it's late in the afternoon and our tapioca pearls have become fluffy. And I've added the roasted crushed peanuts. I've grinded it in mixie and I've added about 2 tablespoons of crushed peanuts. I've added a teaspoon of sugar. Sugar is going to enhance the taste, it's going to enhance the spiciness when we're going to add chilies in this. And don't we need a little bit of sweetness in our life? I've also added a little bit of salt. You need to add salt as per your taste. I've added just enough salt. I also have a medium size of potato here and one chili and 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. And I've turned on the heat and I've already added ghee. I've already added ghee in the pan. Now this ghee is given to me by my friend, best friend, and she gave me the entire jar of the homemade ghee. So I've already added. I'm going to close this. And yes, and one more ingredient that one of my friends' mom told me is going to enhance the taste is I've grated a small piece of ginger. Now, usually Indians have this during fasting, and when you're fasting, we don't necessarily add the ginger. I'm not fasting; it's almost afternoon, and I'm going to have it as brunch. And this is going to enhance the taste because pearls itself does not have much taste. So this is going to give it fresh sharpness, and it is going to be very very tasty. Now I'm from the coastal region Malvan, and we don't add ginger. My friend is from Sangli, I think. Yeah, and she said that they add ginger in their region. So I'm going to do that. You will find a lot of recipes actually. Let's add jeera. You are going to find a lot of recipes online of this Sabudana Khichdi. I bet you might not find any with and then chilies, ginger, my Spider-Man. I'm going to add potatoes. These are, this is a boiled potato. I'm going to add a pinch of salt to potatoes because I didn't add salt while it was boiling. So, so in my kitchen you will usually find small utensils because I cook just for myself. My family lives in Mumbai, so I try not to use big utensils. Just hold on for a second. Okay. Now I'm going to add this tapioca pearls. All right. This the Spider-Man, and mix it gently. You need to ensure you add only little ghee because otherwise it's going to turn tapioca pearls are starchy, so it is going to turn sticky and we don't want that. Now I've mixed it. I'm going to cover it and we have to let it slow steam it for a few minutes, maybe about a minute or two. Meanwhile, I have some water here and I'm going to make tea. So let's go and enjoy our society tea. So I'm a big fan of society tea. In my family, we like this ever since I think it came out, and then they later came out with masala tea. So I still have cold, so I'm going to firstly turn on the heat. Oops, you need to be careful. It's almost about done. Let me taste it a bit. Well, the chili is not that hot, so I think another minute and it should be done. And my tea is boiling. It's done, and I'm going to turn off the heat and I'm going to cover it. Let rest of the heat do the magic while my tea is boiling.